Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today I'm going to share with you 10 odds, so let's get started. The first game we have today is an international friendly where FC Slovan Rebel taking on Pukas Academia, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in China League where Jiangsu Mighty Lions taking on 1-3 Lions, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in international friendly where Victoria Plzen is taking on Copenhagen, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in women Europa qualifier where Armenia is taking on Bulgaria, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is in international friendly where Admiral Waker is taking on Blue Way, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Comment I'm interested. I will forward today premium to us to you in the comment section. Okay guys, the next one we have here is a game in international women Euro qualifier where Austria is taking on Poland, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals. Next one still in that women qualifier, North Macedonia taking on Latvia. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. Then the last game on this list is a game in the international friendly where AFC Flag is taking on Blackpool, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. If you want to receive today to us, kindly comment I'm interested in the comment section and share this post with your friends. Then you receive this game in your own inbox. Kindly check your Facebook inbox that there you receive the game. And then some people that I shared yesterday did not some did not even check their inbox, so I'll try and check your inbox today, and then you receive today's premium to us. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet for this today's thing. Also bet responsibly, and I will see you guys after the game. Thank you.